Frigidaire dryer still codes E65 after an E64. Replaced heater element, replaced thermal limiter, check dryer vent.still codes E65.
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
3 years MODS 5115 PW0.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Not sure.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Hello from JustAnswer in the appliance category. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. My name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 37 years. I own my own appliance repair company and I teach appliance repair at a local community college. I have over 100,000 plus in-home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. You will be paying me for my answer to your appliance question, not for the repair of your appliance, hence the name of this site, JustAnswer. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. The error code of E65 is a high-limit thermostat trip. For electric model, check inlet thermal limiter for continuity. If thermal limiter is open, check for evidence of high temperature event and any resulting damage. If no further damage is evident, replace thermal limiter. If no problems are found with the thermal limiter, check exhaust vent system for air blockages. If no problems with vent restrictions, check/replace high-limit thermostat, and retest. On this unit you have 3 different thermostats. Where is the one located that you have replaced?
Hi, we've been on vacation. The technician working on the dryer has given up. Replaced the thermal limiter, cleaned and checked the vent system. Initial code was E64, the heater element was replaced. Then E65 kept coming up, so the vent was checked and cleaned. There was no blockage, so the thermal limiter was replaced twice. Then the control board was replaced, but it is still not heating up and codes E65. I don't want to do the work myself. And I don't want to throw good money after bad. This is a 3-year-old dryer. We didn't get the extended warranty and it's driving us nuts. We need a tech that can really help. Are you able to respond to my questions here now?
Okay, now this website does not have tech that come to your home. This is just a question and answer DIY website. I see you have not replied back to me. Do you still need assistance on your question? If not, I see you have not rated me as of yet. Even after you rate me, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, but rating me is the only way I get paid for my time.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.